sunshine. Good morning. Hold up. So, wipe my glasses real fast. I use my shirt. Anyhow, good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. So, today I'm making a store run. And I just got to say this. Going to the store used to bring me so much joy, so much happiness, so much pleasure because I love the grocery store. I love cooking. So I love being in the grocery store. But since all this pandemic mess has gone on, I absolutely hate going to the grocery store because once I get there and see all those other folk, my anxiety is way up here. Yeah, I have on my mask and I have on my gloves and I put on my tennis shoes and socks and all that good stuff. But some folk just don't listen. They don't listen. So I actually hate going to the grocery store now. But I need to pick out my own food. I don't need nobody else picking out the types of meat I want, the types of fruits I want. I don't need that. I need to get my own supply. So anyhow, I need suggestions as to what to cook today. So if y'all have any suggestions as to what y'all want me to cook today, let me know. I would cook something out of the cookbook, but I want to do something different. So if y'all have any suggestions, drop them below. I'll see you later. Bye.